pre-workout, guys. My ticket. Blah. Good morning, guys. We're outside. About to hit the gym. But guys, before I do, I'm gonna give a shout out real quick. Alright, guys, I wanna give a shout out to all my Australians out there, because I probably have a lot of Australian followers. That's freaking cool, yo. So, shout out to you guys. You guys are all dope. You're all commenting like, yeah, Mike, this and that, and I'm like, that's lit. So guys, shout out to everybody over there, not down there. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. If y'all Australian or near Australia or somewhere, make sure to comment down and say you're from there. I'll shout you out. But yeah, right now I gotta finish my little pre-workout I have, and we're about to go. About to go meet Azan. Blah. Guys, we're out here. We're gonna install the window visors. As you can see, we have the tape, more tape, basically for the ends, really, like right there and then the end. My dad's gonna back up his van right now, but we're gonna do the install. We're gonna tape the ends a little longer here because you know how it flies off. Get extra tape, just put it on the ends. It's a little thicker than I thought. So when you have it ready to put on, make sure you have some right there, and you have like extra tape right there to make sure it's stick well. And it's on that bird poop too. I hope you guys don't fall and die. I want to line it up and then get it on. Is that good? I'm gonna check if that's good before I actually like start pressing. That seems good to me, and let's go. Just push on it. Make sure you get the ends right here too, because these tend to come off. And there you go. When the visor installed, then we're going to move on to the back one right here, which I'll show you guys once I get it all taped out. Did I say taped out again? And then we'll do it again. Well, guys, we got the visors on. Little mod. It's not like an actual performance mod or anything. It's more like look wise. And also when it rains, that it protected from raining, getting inside the car when I'm driving. And the windows get foggy, you can just put the window down. And it all looks good. Gotta make sure you press that on everything. And there you go. Oh, it's got a little tape right there stuck. There you go. Let me know what you guys think. Now the bad thing about this is now time to clean up because you got like a bunch of little things everywhere. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching the video guys. Pretty simple, straightforward how to install visors. You can do it on any car. Yeah, you can basically install it on any car. And see you guys next time. That's all guys. Have a good one.